The Economic Development Strategy for Southeast Michigan, a product of SEMCOG and the Metropolitan Affairs Coalition, can be visualized by the wheel, which incorporates three broad interrelated themes for the region: business, place, and talent. SEMCOG and MAC's report, Future Skills, Preparing for the Changing World of Work, emphasizes the importance of ensuring our talent development system is able to provide the education and training needed to meet the needs of employers and support career and life success for individuals. Manufacturing Day is a recent example of how hundreds of partners throughout Southeast Michigan have come together to prepare and connect talent with jobs.
Manufacturing Day is really a way to celebrate manufacturers in our region and to expose kids to careers in well-paying, high-demand positions that are available.
Kids, when they come out of school, they really need to be prepared to go into the workforce.
And we believe in kind of a family atmosphere.
So we feel really strongly that we need to get the kids at the youngest age as we can to get them educated on what manufacturing is all about.
So this year we'll have roughly 3,500 kids who are scheduled to attend. We're here to show students the positions that are available, and after the students tour the manufacturing sites, they will go to post-secondary hub site experiences to the community colleges and trade schools in the area, and they can really see the pathways for education to get into positions.
Manufacturing Day is a great opportunity for these young people to get into the facilities, to give kids and instructors more ideas of what's really available for the young people out there. So they can get into either a trade school, a community college, a four-year school, apprenticeships, but let them have options, and hopefully working all together that the young people are going to have a better chance in life ahead.
This is a very good career to get into because there's longevity in it. You can make a really good wage, so it's very important.
And help them narrow down what they really are interested in doing and come up with a plan so that when they leave high school, they've got a pathway to follow.